state of Maharashtra, where it appears that fresh cracks appear in Mahayuti. Sena Mantri has given a statement which has stoked the controversy. His name is Gulab Rao Patil. He has said that Finance Ministry is nalayak. He also goes on to say that the ministry, which is held by Ajit Pawar, is worthless, and files given to the Finance Ministry keep getting returned. Now, this is a big statement that has been made by Gulab Rao Patil. He is also the Minister of Water Supply is what we are getting, but a controversial statement as far as the partner, he being a partner in this alliance is concerned.
टीव्ही वाले आणि पत्रकारांची माफी मागेल की त्यांनी नाही टाकलं तर बरं होईल, पण अर्थ खात्यासारखं नालायक म्हणजे येऊ नको तो शब्द माझ्या तोंडात. आमची फाईल साहेब 10 वेळेस गेली अर्थ खात्यात, 10 वेळेस. पण मी पण पक्का गेली का माणूस पाठवायचा, शेख वहां जाके देख क्या चल रहा है, शेख तू आगे का देख, मैं तेरे पीछे है.
My colleague Arunil joins us live on the broadcast. Arunil, the statement has come from Gulab Rao Patil. He has called the Finance Minister nalayak and saying that the Finance Ministry is completely worthless. And of course, not the first time that Mahayuti Alliance partners, their leaders, party workers have said something against each other.
Well, good morning to you, Akansha. This is not the first time, right? And a fresh set of differences arise between the CM Shinde Shiv Sena party and Ajit Pawar again. Basically, the Mahayuti alliance, which also includes the BJP. Here is Gulab Rao Patil, a minister, senior minister from CM Shinde Shiv Sena party, saying that Finance Ministry, which is led by Ajit Pawar, is the most nalayak, basically worthless ministry in Maharashtra. My files go to the ministry many times, but they return without any signature. I have to repeatedly send by people. These statements clearly have irked supporters of Ajit Pawar as well. There is a reaction from Unmesh Patil, a leader from Ajit Pawar's NCP, who basically is saying that Gulab Rao Patil should abstain from making such kind of statements. He should clarify as well that why he is calling a finance ministry as nalayak, and it has clearly irked the Ajit Pawar supporters as well. They basically are demanding an apology. Recently, last week, we had seen another Sena minister, Tanaji Sawant, saying that he feels like vomiting after sitting in a cabinet meeting with Mr. Ajit Pawar. Clearly, differences have emerged. In fact, 2 days back when a cabinet meeting was held, Shiv Sena ministers, CM Shinde Shiv Sena ministers, could be seen arguing with Ajit Pawar's leaders and Ajit Pawar himself that during his Jan Samman Yatra, when he's promoting Ladki Bahin Yojana, why is he using the name of CM Eknath Shinde? Why CM Eknath Shinde has been ignored?
All right, Arunil, as you also mentioned, a strong reaction has come from Ajit Pawar faction. They've hit back at the minister that we told you about. He has said that such statements are creating confusion in the alliance. Listen in.
राज्याचे पाणीपुरवठा मंत्री गुलाबराव पाटील साहेबांनी कर्मचाऱ्यांच्या समोरच्या भाषणामध्ये अर्थ खात्यासारखं नालायक खातं नाही अशा पद्धतीचं एक स्टेटमेंट केलं. या स्टेटमेंटच्या अनुषंगानं वेगळ्या पद्धतीची चर्चा पुन्हा एकदा सुरू झालेली आहे. महायुतीमध्ये एकमेकांच्या बद्दल समन्वय नसल्याची चर्चा सुरू झालेली आहे. यापूर्वी तानाजी सावंत यांनी उलटी येण्याचं वक्तव्य केलं. त्याच्यानंतर आता गुलाबराव पाटील यांनी अर्थ खात्याला नालायक खातं म्हटलं. त्याच्यातून महाराष्ट्रातील जनतेचा गैरसमज निर्माण होतोय आणि राष्ट्रवादीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांमध्ये एक मोठा संताप त्यातून तयार होतोय.